Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you to search for messages inside Google Chat. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, open up Google Chat on your smart device. This works for both Android and iOS device users. And then once you're here, you'll be on the home page of Google Chat. And then on top of that, it will say search in chat. So type in that word, phrase, or message to search for that inside your chat. So for example, I'm going to click into it and then I'm going to type in word. Now this will search for all my messages for that word. As you can see, nothing's coming up because I don't use Google Chat much, or if ever. But yeah, this is how to search for a message inside Google Chat. If you click back into it, you've got more options here. You can search from who it was from, search for people here, set in, search for chats and spaces, attachments, date, has link, mentions of me, and all that stuff. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, how to search for messages inside Google Chat. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.